Hey everyone, and welcome Make Money Online anytime. You in the right place if you ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and build a life of financial freedom. What I'm about to share isn't just theory. It's real strategies I've used to create a steady, reliable income stream. It's time to take control of your earnings. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out. Let's get started. So, you've grown tired of all the shiny promises about easy online money, right? Everywhere you look, someone claims to have the ultimate method, but somehow it always seems to work for everyone except you. Maybe you've already tried diving into the world of dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or Amazon FBA at first. It looked simple, just follow a few steps and you'll be rich. But once you started, you realized the reality is far more complex than those tutorials make it seem. Now, your YouTube feed is probably filled with smiling gurus telling you how to make thousands overnight. And even though part of you wants to believe them, another part whispers that something doesn't add up. Well, you're right. The truth is different, and this video isn't another illusion. It's meant to save you time, effort, and money while showing you the real path to earning online. Stay until the end, because I've prepared something valuable for you. Don't worry, this isn't a sales pitch. I'm not here to sell you another secret formula. Like most people, I started with high hopes and a series of experiments online. In the beginning, I thought success was simply a matter of finding the right method. I offered my services on Fiverr. No one hired me. I tried day trading, lost everything in a week. That's when I started asking myself, if these methods work for so many others, why don't they work for me? And the answer wasn't that these systems don't work. The truth is, they do work, but not for everyone, and not in the same way. Almost every online business model has potential affiliate marketing, freelancing, YouTube, digital products, but each one requires time, effort, and patience to master. The real challenge isn't whether a method produces results, but whether it's worth your personal investment of time, energy, and resources. Some paths take months, others even years before generating serious income. So the real question becomes, which path can bring consistent results without wasting years or thousands of dollars? To answer that, I studied countless online business models, analyzed the data, and tested several myself. Finally, I discovered two business types that consistently show strong potential, even for beginners. Let's break them down one by one. 1. Amazon Kindle Publishing KDP. Think of the internet as a jungle. Everyone's trying to sell you something. From instant millionaire courses to apps that supposedly print money, the noise is endless. But among the chaos, there's one legitimate model that quietly creates real income: self-publishing on Amazon KDP. Here's the idea. You create and upload your own books, journals, diaries, planners, coloring books, or humorous collections, and Amazon sells them for you. You don't need to handle printing, shipping, or customer service. Amazon takes care of everything, and you earn royalties for every sale. Now, you can promote your book using paid ads, Amazon ads, Facebook ads, Instagram, but there's also a completely free alternative, TikTok. If you search hashtags like #BookTok, you'll see hundreds of creators promoting their books. They post 2 to 3 short videos per day showing their book, telling a story behind it, or sparking curiosity. Once one of these clips goes viral, sales skyrocket. Let's imagine this scenario. You publish a book priced at $16. Your profit per sale is roughly $7. If one of your videos reaches 100,000 views, and just 1% of those viewers buy your book, you earn around $7,000, all from a single viral post. And yes, it happens more often than you'd think. Here's a simple roadmap to follow. Create a KDP account. Design and upload your book. Open a TikTok account dedicated to your brand. Post 1 to 3 videos daily, testing different hooks and ideas. Replicate what goes viral and keep improving it. This model doesn't make you rich overnight, but it's a legitimate, scalable way to build passive income with minimal upfront investment. 2. YouTube automation content channels. Now, let's talk about what I consider the best long-term online business, YouTube. Some channels have only a handful of well-researched videos, yet generate thousands in ad revenue each month. That's the power of the YouTube algorithm. It rewards valuable, engaging content that people actually watch until the end. To understand income potential, you need to know 2 key metrics: CPM, cost per mil. How much advertisers pay for every 1,000 monetized views, to RPM, revenue per mil. How much you, as the creator, actually earn per 1,000 total views. Once your channel is monetized, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube starts paying you for ads displayed on your videos. But that's just the start. Sponsorships, affiliate links, and digital products can multiply your revenue. Here's how to begin. Choose a niche that you both enjoy and that has profit potential. Finance, technology, productivity, motivation, or AI tools. Research your target audience, their age, interests, and problems. Create engaging scripts, design eye-catching thumbnails, and use strong titles and tags. Record or generate your voiceover. You can use AI voices. Publish consistently and monitor your CTR, click-through rate, and audience retention. The higher these metrics, the more YouTube promotes your videos organically. The secret isn't complex. Make videos that people want to click, and once they click, make sure they want to stay. The mindset that actually works. Both of these models, publishing and YouTube, are effective, but only if you treat them seriously. Set realistic goals. If you're aiming to earn a modest side income, you can handle everything yourself. But if your ambition is bigger, to build a sustainable business, then at some point you'll need to delegate. Outsource editing, research, or design so you can focus on what truly matters, creating value and growing your brand. Remember, this journey isn't linear. You'll face setbacks, moments of frustration, and but each challenge you overcome becomes a skill you can reuse, a layer of armor for the next stage. The more you persist, the more capable you become, and the more aware you are of how the online world really works. Finally, as promised, I put together a detailed file where I compare and analyze every major online business model, including pros, cons, startup, costs, and potential earnings, so you can make an informed decision about which one fits you best. You'll find the link in the description below. And before you leave, share your experience in the comments. Have you tried any online business models? What worked? What didn't? Let's learn together. See you in the next video.